point got through my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them say lie. My money on you. Spend a couple million on you. Don't let your own body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Empress in the building. Guys, I'm excited because it's just few days to 2020. Jeez, like, man, I've been waiting for this year since 2013. Like, I'm excited to be here, and we're all going over to 2020 strong, healthy, and alive. And guys, I'll be sharing with you in this video my 19 things I learned in 2019, and I would like you guys to sit right back and watch till the end. The first thing on my list actually I learned in 2019 is to let people go. See, not all relationships are meant to last forever, and not everyone is going to stay forever in your life. People will come and people will go. If they're for you, they will stay, and if they're not, let them take a walk. Like, stop forcing yourself on people. Stop begging people to be with you. Stop begging people to love you, because you're worth more than that. The second thing I learned in 2019 is to read books. Reading has changed me so much this year. Since I realized I could read good books from my phone, I have read lots of books this year. And guys, reading is very, very extremely essential. And the third thing I've learned this year 2019 is planning. They say if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Guys, I write basically everything I want to do each day, just so I don't forget. Like, I have this right now all written. This is what I want to talk about in this video. I have to write it so that I don't forget. So it's very important that you write down whatever thing you want to do. Like, basically every morning I write my to-do list. It helps me plan ahead of my day. This year I actually learned to live my life for myself, in the sense that I am done pleasing people. Like, what's the point trying to get validation from the world? It's your life, it is you. I've come to understand that no matter what you do, people are still going to talk about you. People are still going to complain. So what is the point trying to live your life for somebody? Do what pleases you. If it makes you happy, do it. And the fifth thing I've learned in 2019 is to keep your circle small. See, not everyone is your friend. People are going to come and pose as your friends, but can they take bullets for you? Like, how far can these people go for you? You don't need thousands of people to stay happy. You don't need thousands of friends to feel loved or to feel appreciated. Guys, keep your circle small. Quality is better than quantity. I know we all love our 9-to-5 jobs, our white collar jobs, but guys, side hustle is the main thing. Like, side hustle is big because you don't even know which one is going to pay you at the end. So no matter what you're doing in 2020, make sure you include a side hustle. There should be something else you're doing, because you can't just have one stream of income and expect to be as rich as Dangote. Music is therapy. See guys, if you know me too well, you know that I love music. Like, I don't joke with music. I'm a legit certified music lover. I went as far as getting myself a music box this year because it helps you stay happy. Music is life. Basically, drink lots of water and mind your business. Drink lots of water and stay out of trouble. Drink lots of water and glow, because seriously, water is a good skin therapy and it is very healthy, and I'm sure you know that. Another way to stay healthy is to be in a clean environment. Cleanliness, they say, is next to godliness. Before you leave your house, make sure you tidy your place. It makes you stay healthy. It makes you stay positive. Keep your environment clean. Another thing I learned this year is to enjoy yourself. See, let me tell you, life is too short not to enjoy it. Life is too short not to pamper yourself. Life is too short not to give yourself a treat that you deserve. For Christ's sake, you've been working all your life. You've been working from January to December. Take a day and pamper yourself. Eat good food. Go out. Spend money. This life, you cannot come and kill yourself. Give without expecting anything in return. If you want to be a true giver, if it's in your nature to give, just give from your heart and do not expect anybody to return your favor. Because if you expect people to return your favor, you're going to stop giving, because everyone is not going to be like you. People are not going to give the way you give. Nothing good comes easy. To achieve anything in this life, you need hard work. Like, visualization without action is equal to zero. If you visualize it, you have to put in hard work and smart work in order to achieve it. People are not going to respect you until you truly respect yourself. Let me not even start preaching about respect right now, but it comes in the smallest of things that you do. Make people know your worth. Don't take everything and anything that comes your way. Make them understand that you're worth more than they think. Respect yourself so that people can respect you in return. See, fear does not exist. I know how many fears I had to overcome this year, and I'm happy I did. So if you're scared of taking any particular step, you're scared that you are going to fail or something, just do it. Because that thing called fear, it's in your head, it's your imagination. There's no such thing as fear. And another thing I learned this year is to chase your passion. Whatever makes you happy, do it. Whatever profession, whatever it is that makes you happy, just go for it. That's why I'm here doing this with you people. And I hope you support me, like support my channel. I preach about loving yourself because I know how it has helped me. Love yourself enough to accept that you're not perfect. Love yourself enough to let go people that are no longer emotionally, physically, financially important to you. Love yourself enough to applaud other people when they do things you cannot do. Everyone is not perfect. You deserve some love. The last thing I learned, not the last thing I learned, but the last thing on my list is your morning routine. See, morning routine has a lot to do with your entire day. Trust me, it's not just about praying in the morning. What are the things you do in the morning before you step out of your house? It is very, very important. My morning routine, most times when I'm not working very early in the morning, my morning routine is, first I wake up, I pray in the morning. Afterwards, I do a little meditation. And then I write down what I need to do for the day. Your day starts in the morning, basically. Some persons just wake up and they grab their phones and Instagram and social media. You start your day with people that you don't even know. Start your day with yourself. That's what I do, basically. And guys, this brings us to the end of this video. And I hope you liked this video. So don't forget to subscribe. Give a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe. Give a thumbs up if you like my video. I love you. See you in my next video.